Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. We're gonna learn lesson 5 part B, flexibility. Second part of the flexibility. We learned there are three type of words in Arabic when it comes to flexibility. First one is fully flexible. What should remain is word Muslim. So Muslim is a fully flexible word, and most of the Arabic words are fully flexible, which can show as Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin. So Rafa Nasib status, it can completely show. And second word is second type of flexibility category is that is non-flexible, which is Rafa Nasib Jar. All word it is the same. There is no variation in the Rafa Nasib Jar. Example, we have to remember Musa. It is Musa, Musa, Musa. Rafa is Musa, Nasib is Musa, and Jar also Musa. And third one is partly flexible. That we remember the word Yusuf. It is Yusufu, Yusufa, Yusufa. It cannot have the um, Tanween. There is no word called Yusufun. And second thing is it cannot have the kasara, that is Yusufi. There is no word called Yusufi. So it can have only three variation, that is Yusufu, Yusufa, Yusufi. Up to now we have already learned this in part A. Now part B, we're gonna deep dive into the partly flexible. In Arabic, there are two categories of word, two type of word considered as partly flexible. Number one is proper names of a places. That means if there is a name of a place, that is considered as a partly flexible. So example, Makkah. Makkah is a specific name, so it is considered as a partly flexible word. Okay, even though it is Arabic word, since it's a place name, it is considered as a partly flexible. So you cannot say Makkatun, Makkatan, Makkatin. You cannot say that, because when it becomes partly flexible, you need to treat same like how you treated for Yusuf. So it is Yusufu, Yusufa, Yusufa, right? So same way, since it's a name of a place, Makkah, you need to treat the same way you treat the word Yusuf. That means Makkatu, Makkata, Makkata. Rafa is Makkatu, not Makkatun. Rafa is Makkatu, and Nasib is Makkata, and Jar also Makkata. Okay, so same rule apply the what you did for the Yusufu. Okay, but there is one exception. Even though it is a name of a place, if it is three letters, then it will become fully flexible. The example given is Adin. So Adin is three letters. Ain, Dal, Noon is three letters. So since it is three letters, even though it is a name of a place, Adin is actually, I think, name of a paradise. Uh, but still, since it is only three letters, it becomes fully flexible. So it has to, it can have all the variation like Adinun, Adinan, Adinin. So same like Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin, it can have all the three variation just because it is three letters, three letter word, even though it is a place, name of a place. Here I need to highlight a important uh, thing, that is, say example, you take place like Masjid is a place, but the thing is, masjid is not a specific place. Say example, if you say masjid, it can be any masjid. There are a lot of masjids are there. So that masjid word is a fully flexible word. Masjidun, masjidan, masjidin. But if you say Makkah, there is only one Makkah in the world. Like what I mean is, like it's the city Makkah is only one. So it's a specific place name. So when it comes to specific place name, that should be, if it is more than three letters and specific place name, it should be partly flexible. So that is the ruling on partly flexible, that those words, the place of a name comes under partly flexible category if it is less letters are more than three. The second category is, that is, non-Arab names. Not Arab names, non-Arab names. Okay. When it comes to non-Arab names, it is also partly flexible. So best example is the example that we already studied. Yusuf. Yusuf is not an Arab name. He is not an Arab prophet. is coming from the lineage of Ishaq alayhi salam. Ibrahim alayhi salam has two kids, Ismail and Ishaq. Most of the uh, Jewish prophets, that Banu Israel, their prophets are coming from the lineage of Ishaq alayhi salam. Ishaq alayhi salam son is Yaqub alayhi salam. Yaqub alayhi salam has another name called Israel. So all there's a 12 kids for the Yaqub alayhi salam. Then those lineages considered as Banu Israel. This is a history anyhow. So uh, what we need to what you need to understand is Yusuf alayhi salam is coming from that lineage. So he's not an Arabic prophet. So he is non-Arab prophet. So non-Arab names should consider as partly flexible. That's why we didn't say Yusufun, Yusufan, Yusufan. Instead of that, Yusufun, Yusufu, Yusufa, Yusufa. That is important to remember. And also, even you take any non-Arab prophet name or any non-Arab name, it has considered partly flexible. So when it comes to prophets' name, there are approximately I think 25 prophet names are mentioned in the Quran. Out of that, only 4 prophets are Arab prophets. All others are non-Arab prophets. Those 4 prophets are Hud alayhi salam, Salih alayhi salam, Shuaib alayhi salam, and obviously Muhammad sallallahu alayhi salam. So those names are, since Arab names, those are fully flexible, like Hudun, Hudan, Hudin, or Salihun, Salihan, Salihin. So it can show the Rafa Nasab status. But if you take Ibrahim, it's a non-Arab prophet. So Ibrahimu, Ibrahima, Ibrahima. So it has to be partly flexible. So that's you have to keep in mind. But again, the same condition apply if it is 3 letters. If it is 3 letter name, then it is getting that fully flexible status again. That is example given here is Nuh, Nuhun, Nuhan, Nuhin, because it is 3 letter Noon, Vav, and Ha. It become 3 letters and it get in the fully flexible. So just try to understand this fully flexible, partly flexible in a simple example. Like you can think like a country, uh, uh, the people who lives in a country, like fully flexible is they have the full like full citizens, like they have the passport, they have all the rights, so they can have show all the status, they have all the status Rafana Subjar, fully they can show their status. And but there are another category, okay, maybe resident, maybe having resident permit, people who have resident permit, they don't have the uh, what we call they don't have the privileges like citizens, but they also have some better privileges. So that is like they can show the Rafa and Nasub, but Jar they have to share, and they cannot take this Tanween. But if you take the non-flexible people are like visit visa, so they have very limited. They don't have access to health care, free health care, uh, some other benefits like the citizens or residents has. So you can it's just an example to remember that fully flexible, non-flexible, and partly flexible. So fully flexible mean they have all the status, they have all the rights. Partly non-flexible mean they have very like they have only one status, one right, that they have to show Rafa Nasubjar, all same name, same word. But and partly flexible is in between that, they have limited rights. Okay. And also I would say, like say example, take the word Adam. Adam is a non-Arab name. You can say, oh, maybe Adam alayhi salam talk Arabic, we don't know, mostly he might not talk in Arabic, so but anyhow he's not a Arabic prophet. So he considers a non-Arabic prophet as per the scholars. Only I told you 4 Arabic prophets. Those are the Arabic prophets, and all others are considered as non-Arabic prophets. Then it become non-Arabic name. So Adam, you might think Adam, Alif, Dal, Mim. It is 3 word, 3 letters. Sorry, 3 letters. But if you take, then it should be fully flexible. But the thing is, it is not 3 letters. If you take Adam, it is not Adam, it is Adam. So when you take in Arabic, it's Adam. So it is the first alif is considered as 2 alif, Adam. So it is alif, 2 alif, and dal and mim. So it is considered, even though you see 3 letters, since the alif is, you have to drag the alif, it is considered as a 2 alif, then it become a 4-letter word. So because of that, he also considered as a non-flexible word. So it has to be Rafa is Adamu and Nasib is Adama and Jar also Adama. He cannot have the fully flexible status like Adamun, Adaman, Adami. He cannot have that. So the idea is very simple. If it is a place name or non-Arab name, they are considered as as partly flexible, and exception given if it is 3-letter word, then even though it is a place of a name or it is a non-Arab name, they will become fully flexible because they have only 3 letters. This is how. Don't ask me why it is like that, because that's how the language is developed. So so we don't know who have decided this is decided thousand more with the origin of the language more than 10,000 years back. Who knows when Arabic is developed? So anyhow, that what we need to understand. This will be coming handy. This will be helpful when we analyze in the Quran why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala did not use Adamun instead of why he used Adamu, and those things will be helpful when we learn in the Quran. So better to know these stuff. Uh, and do the assignment. Assignment is there. Then when you do the assignment, you will get more knowledge on the subject, inshallah. So if you have any question, just post, then I can answer. Maybe my explanations might not clear. So if you have any doubt, even doesn't matter, you might think it is a silly question, it doesn't matter, just ask, it will help. The same question might be there for others as well. So if you have question, please ask. It doesn't matter. Even you think it is a very simple question, just please ask. That might be helpful for the others as well, and even it will helpful me to understand better and understand that my explanation is clear or not. Maybe I missed something. So Jazakallah khair for listening. Inshallah, we will meet with another lesson. The lesson 6, lesson 5 is almost done. Do the assignments, and I will post the answer inshallah soon. Maybe tomorrow I'll post the answers inshallah.